The Japanese Coffee Company is proud to present something truly special for the fans of pour-over coffee. The Hario Mugen Dripper is the latest model from the creators of the iconic Hario V60 and is quickly becoming a global phenomenon. Evolving from the popular V60, this dripper is meticulously designed with star-shaped grooves that allow the coffee to be extracted slower. This creates coffee with a smoother mouthfeel and the maximum amount of taste, flavor, and aroma. Despite the slower extraction, the Hario Mugen makes 1 to 2 cups in a single pour and allows you to brew coffee in less time and with minimal effort, while maintaining the quality of pour-over coffee. The Hario Mugen is also dishwasher safe and comes with an easily detachable holder for maximum comfort. Start enjoying delicious pour-over coffee in a single pour today with the Hario Mugen. Japanese Coffee Company, roasted with love in Japan.